finally this is happening. This is truly happening. I'm super excited and I'm super happy to share this news with you guys. After so much of procrastination, so much of hard work, so much of planning, and so much of overthinking, I'm right here in front of you guys. So happy to present my YouTube channel. So once again, I extend my very warm welcome to all of you for the first ever video of my YouTube channel. So I extend my very warm welcome to all of you for the launch of MC Punya. So thank you so much. A heartfelt gratitude to whoever is watching this video, and a heartfelt gratitude for being a great support and giving me genuine feedbacks. It has helped me a lot. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on that subscribe button and click on the bell button next to it. So let me quickly give a small introduction about myself. My name is Punya Shri, very commonly known as MC Punya. By MC because I was working as an MC from 4 years till now, and it's going really great. And I host in 5 different languages, that is English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu and Hindi. I host variety of events such as weddings, corporates, birthdays, launches and many more. Apart from emceeing, I also do corporate training, wherein I train corporate people in their voice, in their communication skills and many more. Apart from that, I also do content writing, wherein I have written bits and pieces for few corporate sectors. So this is all about me. When it comes to my YouTube channel, if you ask me what will I get from your YouTube channel, I can tell you my YouTube channel is all about, it's going to be completely about information, and it's going to be completely about learning. I personally feel information is wealth. Apart from that, there are few things I have experimented, there are few things I've experienced, there are few things I have seen from people, there are few things I've heard of it, there are few things wherein I've taken a course also. So I would really want to use this opportunity, I really want to use this platform to give out knowledge, to give out information to people. I really love to connect to people. I have a deep passion towards communicating, connecting to people, spreading those vibes and experimenting on the positivity, how great we can reach. So guys, before signing off, let me quickly give you a small tip how to start your day. As you all know, we are all in a pandemic wherein most of us are working from home and we are stuck inside the home from months together, and this tip will definitely help you out to give you some morning motivation and some productivity for your day-to-day life. I am definitely assuring you this practice will make a huge difference in your day-to-day life. So without further ado, let me quickly get into the points. The first thing I want you to do is, as soon as you open your eyes, you wake up and you open your eyes, I don't want you to pick up your phone and start scrolling through the feed. That's a very big no-no. It's a kind of an addiction where you feel like staying with the phone for a longer time, and it increases the laziness. But instead of that, what you can do is, as soon as you open your eyes, I want you to see 3 different things. 3 different things, maybe patterned curtains, or you can see the blue sky through the windows, or maybe the tube light in your room also. After that, I want you to listen to 3 different sounds. Maybe the sounds of the vehicles moving around, or the birds singing, or even your mom trying to wake you up. After that, I want you to feel 3 different things. This is just when you're staying on the bed and you're not out of the bed yet. So you can now feel the blankets or the pillows or the PJs you're wearing. And then you wake up and give a quick 5 seconds pep talk to yourself that you're amazing and you can do it, and you're going to do something amazing for the day. And trust me, this will make a huge difference in all of your lives. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Please do try all the points which I've told you, and you can drop in your experiences in the comment section below. Do not forget to come back and comment how you felt about it and how you felt the experience in your day-to-day life gradually. And along with that, if you want to connect to me, my mail ID is in the description box below, and also my Instagram handle link is also in the description box. I'm super active on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. And also along with that, ladies and gentlemen, every week on every Sunday you'll be getting fresh new content from my side. I'm super excited to get in this journey with you guys. So we'll see you next week with fresh new content exclusively for you guys. Thank you very much for being a part of it, and wishing you an amazing and fantastic week ahead. So ladies and gentlemen, this is signing off from MC Punya, and before telling you bye, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ta-da, bye-bye. Have a great week ahead.